YouTube channel. My name is Megan Roosevelt and I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist, the founder of Healthy Grocery Girl and spokesperson for Limoneira's One World of Citrus. In the month of June, we celebrate Father's Day, it's Men's Health Month, and for some, it may be a graduation or wedding season. This month, I have some really great recipes and citrus-inspired DIY projects to share with you to celebrate these important events. Today, I'm really excited to share with you how to make these really cute, simple, but beautiful citrus florals. They would be so great at a graduation party, at a Father's Day lunch, or even at a wedding. So let's get started. If you make these beautiful citrus florals, I would love to see them, so please tag us on Instagram at Limoneira Co. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to look for sustainably grown Limoneira Citrus next time you head to the grocery store. You can also stay connected with us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest, and I'll put all the links below. Thanks again so much for watching, wishing you a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!